Welcome. Let's look at this question. This set question, most students work up to the stage and try to fumble. In other case, they fail. What is the reason? Let me walk you through the various steps that you are supposed or expected in order to gain your full marks. Watch to the end and you always solve questions with ease in this form. Now we have this expression 2 plus root 3 over root 3 minus root 2 minus 2 over root 2. Now these expressions in this case, you need to treat them separately in order to have it easy way through. Now looking at this, let's split the first expression and then also split the second expression. So we have 2 over root 3. So we're splitting these two expressions separately, plus root 3 over root 3. Put this into one bracket, minus, in order to be able to observe your splitting expressions. So we have root 2 over root 2 minus 2 over root 2. Now, if you look at this expression, we can easily open the bracket in order to make the expression very simple. But let's solve what is inside the bracket first. So if you're looking at this expression, we can cancel root 3 and root 3. So we have 2 over root 3 and then plus 1, because root 3 can cancel root 3. So we have this expression. Now let's look at the second part of the expression, root 2, root 2. So that will also give us 1, right? Good. Then from here, we have this expression minus 2 over root 2. Now can we open the bracket? We can open the bracket of having 2 over root 3 plus 1 minus times minus 1 will give you minus 1. Then minus minus will give you plus 2 over root 2. Now we are very lucky. We saw this expression can easily cancel. So we have 2 over root 3 plus 2 over root 2. Now you see how simple the expression is becoming. We realize that still we have the root denominator to be root 3 and here to be root 2. So what do? From here, you take the first term and then you rationalize. And this, the second term, you also rationalize. This is where most of the students have challenge in this. They go straight by solving the LCM and that brings them back to the expression again. So here, you rationalize this expression. I'm going to have 2 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3 plus 2 over root 2 times root 2 over root 2. Now simplifying this, we have 2 times root 2 will give you 2 root 3, and then root 3 times root 3 will give you 3. Remember, when the two roots are multiplying, they give you the root square, and then the root square gives you the value. So that is it. Then from here, 2 root 2 over 2. Now you can see the expression now. Let's cancel out. So we have this cancel that. So our final answer is 2 over 3 root 3 plus root 2. And that is our final answer. I believe that you've gotten this trick in this aspect. Please subscribe. Click on notification so that you can watch more videos as it's coming up. Thank you.